Have you heard about the amazing benefits of black seed oil? People have called it the cure for everything but death. But before you try it, there are some important things you should know. Black seed oil can do a lot for your health, but it also has some side effects you shouldn't ignore. Stay with me, because in today's video, I'll tell you exactly what black seed oil can help with and what you need to be careful about. Let's start with the benefits. Black seed oil is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to help with a variety of health issues. First, it boosts the immune system. Black seed oil is packed with thymoquinone, an antioxidant that supports your body's natural defenses, helping to fight off infections and illnesses. It's also great for our heart health. Studies suggest that black seed oil may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing your risk of heart disease. Black seed oil is also known to improve digestion. It helps soothe stomach problems and reduce bloating, making it a popular choice for those dealing with digestive issues. And let's not forget about skin and hair benefits. It's often used in skincare to moisturize, reduce acne, and promote clear, glowing skin. Plus, it can be applied to your hair to help treat dandruff and encourage hair growth. Another benefit is that it can help regulate blood sugar levels. Some studies show that black seed oil can lower blood sugar, which could be useful for those with diabetes. There's even evidence that black seed oil may help with weight loss by reducing body fat and improving metabolism. But as with any supplement, there are potential side effects you should be aware of. Some people might experience allergic reactions, like skin rashes or irritation, especially if using it topically. It's always a good idea to do a patch test first. If you're taking medications, be careful. Black seed oil can interact with certain drugs, particularly blood thinners and medications for blood pressure. Pregnant women should also avoid black seed oil, as it might cause uterine contractions, which could be harmful. In some cases, consuming too much black seed oil can lead to digestive issues like nausea or an upset stomach. To safely enjoy the benefits of black seed oil, it's important to use it in moderation. The recommended dosage is usually around 1 to 2 teaspoons per day, but it's always best to consult your doctor, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. You can take black seed oil in different ways, by adding it to food, taking it in capsule form, or applying it to your skin and hair for beauty benefits. And remember, if you're not sure about the effects, it's always smart to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Used responsibly, black seed oil can offer a range of health benefits. But like any supplement, understanding the potential risks is key to making the right decision for your health. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear if you've ever used black seed oil and what your experience has been. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.